Hey guys, I'm back in my mum's kitchen, as you can tell, with all the pots that are being reused for garlic and ginger. Is an old yogurt pot, as everyone knows. So we're going to be making a Mauritian kofta curry. We've got some chicken mince here, and we've got around 400 grams. We've got Mauritian curry powder, which my mum keeps in this container. I don't know if anyone else can relate to that. We've got garlic and ginger. We've got an onion. We've got some curry leaves, which are just here. We're using some coriander. We've got a tin of tomatoes. In here we've got some garam masala, which I can show you a little bit. Here we go. And then we've got some oil and salt. So I'm just going to show you how we do it. Right, Mum, what's the first step of your kofta curry? This is our Mauritian style curry that we make at home. I think everyone's is different. So Mum's just adding some garam masala to the actual chicken mince. And then she's going to add some salt for seasoning. Garlic ginger is going in, around half a teaspoon. So just adding some coriander stalk, just chopping that in freely by hand. And do you use anything to bind it, Mum, or it's just the fat from the chicken that binds it?
Yeah, fat from the chicken.
Okay, so you don't use egg or breadcrumb, nothing like that?
You can if you want,
yeah.
But I usually do that. And some people put a carrot inside if you can't bind it.
Okay.
So you can do that, yeah. That's my version.
Well, Mum puts carrot in it so that she can hide vegetables in for the grandkids. That's why she does it that way. Okay. So now we're just going to roll them into balls and fry them off.
You can do vegetarian one as well.
How would you make it vegetarian?
If you got susu,
yeah,
you do it same way.
Okay, so chai pear susu, which is like traditional that we use for dumplings. So you do it in the same way, you just straight the susu. Okay.
Yeah. Or kalba.
Okay.
Yeah, you do it same way. Then you do it your
curry or rogai.
Okay. Whatever base you want to do.
We're going to put this pan on. We're just going to add some oil. So in here we've got the onions frying off with the curry leaves and half a teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. And we're just going to cook it until the onions start to soften and start to brown a little bit. So the kofta now are cooked and we're just leaving them on that side over here, so they're still warm. And we're just frying off the onions, making sure they start to soften, but then get also some colour as well. So we've used around half a can of tinned tomatoes, and these are the whole plum tomatoes. That works out to be around 200 grams. And then now Mum's going to go in with a bit of salt. So the tomatoes have now cooked down and Mum's kind of smushed them with the spoon as well. And now we're going to go in with our curry powder slurry that has been mixed with the water. And this really quickly turns thick and starts to look like curry. So Mum's going to go in with some more water as well and keep cooking the curry out. Now the sauce is made, we're going to go in back with the kofta. They're going to now go back into the sauce. And all the juices that I've collected at the bottom of the pan are all going in as well. Mum's actually adding some water to that waste not want not. So all the flavour goes straight in. And that's it, we're just going to let this simmer off a little bit so the flavour's all infused, but that's how you make a Mauritian kofta curry. And there you have it, the finished kofta curry, Mauritian kofta curry, and we're serving it alongside some lovely freshly made roti. Hope you like this video, guys. I'll leave the ingredients and the method in the description box below, but tune in next week for some more classic dishes that we cook at home. See you later! Thank you.